The world is changing. Our climate is changing. The way we build must change too. Carbon-neutral construction is no longer a futuristic concept. It is a necessary response to the urgent environmental challenges we face today. Traditional construction practices are significant contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. From the extraction of raw materials to the transportation of building components, every step leaves a carbon footprint. This is where carbon-neutral construction comes in, offering a path to mitigate these environmental impacts. Carbon-neutral construction aims to balance the emissions produced during the building life cycle with an equivalent amount of carbon offset or sequestered. It's about creating buildings that have a net-zero carbon footprint, minimizing their impact on the planet. Imagine a future where buildings, instead of being burdens on our planet, become active contributors to a healthier environment. This is the promise of carbon-neutral construction, a future where our built environment exists in harmony with nature. The construction industry is a major emitter of greenhouse gases. It accounts for a significant portion of global energy consumption and carbon dioxide emissions. The environmental impact of traditional construction practices is undeniable, and the consequences are becoming increasingly apparent. Climate change is no longer a distant threat, but a present reality. Rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and disruptions to ecosystems are all consequences of our warming planet. The construction industry, with its significant carbon footprint, has a critical role to play in mitigating these effects. Carbon-neutral construction offers a way to decarbonize the built environment. By reducing and offsetting emissions associated with construction, we can lessen the industry's impact on climate change. This shift towards sustainable building practices is not just an environmental imperative, but also an economic opportunity. Embracing carbon-neutral construction can drive innovation, create new jobs, and enhance the resilience of our communities. It's about building a future where our buildings are not only aesthetically pleasing and functional, but also environmentally responsible. Achieving carbon neutrality in construction requires a multifaceted approach. From design to materials and energy sources, each decision minimizes environmental impact. Sustainable materials like locally sourced timber and recycled steel lower carbon footprints. Energy efficiency is crucial, using natural light, passive heating, and efficient appliances. Renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind, power buildings with clean energy. Carbon-neutral construction creates buildings that contribute to a sustainable future. Section 4. Showcasing Success, Exemplary Carbon-Neutral Structures. From towering skyscrapers to innovative community centers, carbon-neutral buildings are no longer a theoretical concept, but a tangible reality. Around the world, architects, engineers, and developers are pushing the boundaries of sustainable construction, demonstrating that buildings can be both beautiful and environmentally responsible. One inspiring example is the Bullitt Center in Seattle, Washington. This 6-story office building is designed to be a model of sustainability, generating all its own energy through rooftop solar panels and collecting rainwater for all its water needs. It's a testament to the fact that large-scale buildings can achieve net-zero energy consumption. Another remarkable project is the Z Factory in London, England. This sustainable office building, constructed using locally sourced and recycled materials, boasts a negative carbon footprint. Its innovative design and construction methods have set new standards for sustainable architecture. These examples, along with countless others emerging globally, showcase the immense potential of carbon-neutral construction. They serve as beacons of inspiration, demonstrating that a future where our built environment exists in harmony with nature is within reach. Section 5. A future built on sustainability. The enduring impact of carbon-neutral construction. Carbon-neutral construction is about building a sustainable future for generations to come. It's about reimagining our relationship with the environment and making buildings part of the solution. Adopting these practices can significantly reduce the environmental impact of construction. Using sustainable materials and renewable energy, we create environmentally responsible buildings. Carbon-neutral construction drives innovation, economic growth, and community well-being. It stands as a beacon of hope, showing our capacity to create a harmonious world.